How to reverse a video in TikTok. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your TikTok application and you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see the homepage of TikTok, from where you will be able to see the various TikTok videos. So in order to reverse a video in TikTok, you can either create a new video and reverse it, or you can also select the video of your draft. Here I am selecting the draft video. For that, you can tap on profile option in the right bottom corner and you can select the draft video which you want to reverse. Once you select the video, you will be able to see the various options in the right hand side. Among them, you have to go for effects option, and here you will be able to see the various effects. You have to swipe to the time option at last, and at first there is a reverse option. You have to simply tap on that and the reverse effect will be applied to your video, and you have to simply tap on save option in the right upper corner, and from over here you can see the video has been reversed. So this is how you reverse a video in TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.